Welcome back to the ranch. As you can see, we're up at the sawmill again. What a surprise. All right, so we got this cedar here, and one end, it's got a huge taper on the end of it. Let's see, we got one side, we're about 23 and a half by 24. The other side, we are 45. Yeah, 45. Oh, come on. I hate these tape measures. They don't stay. Yep. 45 there on the wide end. And then because this has the hinge cut, I can't really tell what that is. But eyeballing, we're roughly 34-ish. Something like that. So, and like I said, huge taper. So what we're going to do, and my taper here is all the way back. You can see the logs hitting the bunk there. And so this one I'm going to taper out. Apparently I'm going to taper it out all the way. There we go. I got to replace these springs. They're broken. But all right. So before we do that, I want to show you. This is the finished product, and I have that video. I made a short little video. I haven't posted it yet. But this is the new blower pipe. The other one was getting damaged, and I think I showed you guys that. So I went ahead and put this on. I will put a brace from here to there, help stabilize it, but it doesn't. I mean, the whole thing moves. So I'm not worried about it falling over. So yeah, there's that. All right, let's get this mill fired up, and let's go ahead and make our first cut. right, we got this thing down whittled to 22 and a half. So as soon as I take this through the, once I take this through, it'll bring us down to our magic number, and I'm gonna turn this into a 16 by 16 can. I need two 2x16s for a customer. All right, let's get busy. All right, it is way past dark. Just got these boards finished up. I got, let's see, what did I get? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. I got 8 2x6s, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 2x20s, 2x19, I think they are. That's 2x20. Down here, yeah, 2x19. 2x19s out of that. And then I got 2. This is what the customer really wanted, was 2x16. 2x16 by 8 foot. So, and I got 2 of those there. So, and not very much waste after doing the what they call facet cutting. But that's all oak I need to cut up. And that right there, that little bit is the waste on that log. So, yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like these, go ahead, like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. And I will chat with you guys later. Bye.